Hello mga palangga, welcome back to my channel. This is TalktoJULIA. For today's video, let's talk about the difference between be used to doing and used to do. Let's get started. Don't be confused on when to use be used to plus something or plus doing something. We are saying that we are accustomed to that. That's something. That what you're doing. So you're okay and it doesn't bother you. When we say be used to something or be used to doing, it means you're accustomed to it. Meaning, nasanay ka na dyan, or in vernacular, in Cebuano, we can say, naanad na ka. So you can say, I am used to loud music. So it means, nasanay ka na dyan, or in vernacular, naanad na ka. I am used to eating spicy food. Okay? More examples. I am used to walking to work, which means okay lang sa'yo, you're okay walking to work. I am used to. One more example. I am used to cold temperature in the US. On my first day, I got sick, but after how many years? I'm used to cold temperature. I am okay with that now. However, when we say used to do, it means we're only talking about the past. The past, which means noon. So meaning, wala na siya ngayon. Okay? For example, I used to have long hair. Now it's short. Okay? Another example, I used to have a boyfriend. Meaning, you're single now. Okay? When we use this phrase or this expression, always followed by base form of the verb. More examples. I used to smoke. If you say I used to smoke, it means I already stopped. I smoked before but not anymore. Okay? One more. I used to work in ABC company, which means I already resigned or quit. Now I'm working in another company. That would be all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit and smash the notification bell for more updates.